Hi everyone, here we've got Samsung Galaxy S21 and let me share with you how to change the keyboard language on this device. So firstly, we have to open the keyboard, for example in messages, it doesn't really matter. And now all you have to do is simply tap on the settings icon right here. Now let's tap on the languages and types, and here we've got the list of previously added languages. We've got only English right now. In order to add new one, just tap on manage input languages, and as you can see here we've been transferred to the full list of available languages from which you can choose. So as you can see, we've got this list is sorry, I accidentally just shown you how to download a language because I wanted to say that this list is white. That's the first thing I wanted to say. And the second, that here with those switchers we've got downloaded languages which are available right now at this moment, and under it we've got the languages which are actually generally available. So if you will have the internet connection and if you will find the language you'd like to use somewhere here, then just tap on it or on this download icon, and then you will be able to apply it to your device. But let me choose something from the downloaded languages, and I don't want to use Sasaki whatever language it is. And now in order to set new language, to add new language to the keyboard, just tap on the switcher on it. So let me do it. Now it is active, so let's go back. Here we have our list on which we had the English only, and right now we've got the Arabic applied. What's more, we've got new option, the language switching method, and after tapping on it we can choose if you'd like to set the spacebar swipe, language key, or both of them. And I will pick both of them because I would like to show you both options to change the language. And let's get back to the keyboard and let's check. Let's tap on it, and as you can see here on the spacebar we've got the name of the language we are currently using. What's more, here we've got new icon which is a globe icon, and thanks to this we can change the language. So now I am typing English, but after tapping on the globe icon I can easily switch to the Arabic one. I'm sure that I've set the spacebar also, so you can also change the language by tapping on the spacebar and swiping. It should work. And as you can see, I just switched to the English. Let me try again. And as you can see, I can type Arabic right now. So actually, this is how to add the new language to the keyboard. And now let me show you how to remove it, because for some reason you may not need to have two different languages applied. So let's go to the settings again. Let's tap on the languages and types. And here we have to tap on manage input languages. As you can see here, we've got two languages which are currently set on our keyboard, and all you have to do in order to turn off the language is to tap on this switcher right here. And after getting back, we can see that it also disappeared from the list and on the keyboard, and actually I cannot see the globe icon, so it means that I cannot change the language. The same situation with the spacebar. Even after swiping, I cannot do actually anything. So that's all. This is how to change keyboard language in your Samsung Galaxy S21. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.